Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got a surprise for you. We are going to try to escape the heat today, none other than Jacob Wheeler in his tunnel haul boat. Super cool deal. We're gonna try to just go to some basically untapped places. Try to catch some bass. That's what I think this time of the year. You gotta have some weather or you gotta have some current. It's gonna be a fun, exciting day. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a prank on Jacob right now because he's expecting me there here in a little bit, but hang on.
Yo, bud.
Yo, you there?
No, I'm not yet. You want anything at Starbucks?
Dude, I slept in.
You slept in?
I'm gonna be there in like an hour. Let's go right now. Hey,
I'm like,
hey.
Get out of the bed. We got bass to catch.
While you're at Starbucks, go ahead and get yourself a cup of ketchum because you're gonna need it today. Did you hear the awkward silence?
I was just like, wait a second,
You're
what?
like, hold up. This guy.
We're gonna see if we can't catch a couple bass today.
We just gotta find
It
some
might
like.
be a whole bunch of gar and carp and catfish. We don't know. That is what this is all about, and that's what's gonna be fun.
I feel like there's gonna be some bass.
There's gotta be. The water is more stained, but it feels like right at home because like Indiana, Ohio, like fishing.
I want it stained. Because they have no option but to put their nose right up against the
On
bank.
that dang bank.
And I'm good at going down the bank.
We're gonna see how this one goes.
This is about how I fish a tournament. We're just gonna run up this.
Right up the next river. Right up the next creek.
And just keep going until you get a bite.
First little bite.
That's typically about how it is too.
Mine was pretty small, it felt like.
Well, mine, I couldn't tell how big. I mean, it just had the bait. No,
Could be a rock bass.
maybe a little spot.
Spotted bass.
There.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I told you, a little spot. I called that out.
Oh, hey, that's a little spot.
That was a little spot. First giant of the day.
There you go.
Bing, bang, boom.
Dang.
Oh, I'm sorry, bud. I'm sorry.
There you go.
That was a missile going over the boat.
Jacoby?
This is how, hey, this is how you hold a fish out. All right.
Hold on. Perfect.
Complete confidence that we will find them. Maybe.
Hold up, guys.
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't say
Here, hold on. Let me get in the net. Hold on.
Hold up. Yes!
Yeah! That's all you.
I did it. So far, we've caught 2 spotted bass and this pumpkin seed. Bluegill.
Oh my gosh.
Pumpkin seed right there. See that? Look at that.
Throw that joker back.
All right, guys.
We got to come up with a game plan.
We gotta come up with something else.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, yes,
Up.
yes.
Rock bass.
To maybe 1 pound, 2 ounces. 15 ounces to 1 pound, 2 ounces is what I'm guesstimating my total weight to be.
This is the deal. Yesterday, quick update. We cut the trip short. For some reason, motor was not working correctly. Went to a local Mercury dealer, grabbed the fuel line, and we're back after it.
I can't really say that was the excuse for us not catching them though.
I'm gonna be honest with you. We're irritated.
It gave us a good reason to get off the water, put it that way.
It did. It was like, man,
we had to regroup.
Man, we can't do what we want to do. So this is the thing. We're gonna go back. The first creek we fished yesterday, and we're gonna see if we can't figure it out.
I told him when Jacob called me today, he said, hey, let's go back and go further of where we were at. And I'm like,
You gotta try.
hey bro, this is like, we already did it once. We struck out pretty bad. Like they threw a fastball right down the center and we're like swinging up here. So now we're gonna go try to hit a home run. Now, don't get me wrong, I think there is fish somewhere, but
Has to be.
it wasn't as easy as what we expected it to be.
No, I anticipated a few more bites and a few more, like, you know.
I expected bites, pumpkin seeds or 5-inch spots.
Okay, so let's just, without any further ado, let's go run up this place.
Let's freaking do it. Come on.
Let's do this thing.
Start the dang engine up. We got fuel. We're rolling.
Let's make it happen.
I'm gonna let you cast in there first.
Oh, thanks, bud.
We got bit up in this next.
You got bit right there.
No.
Yeah, you did. You got bit right. You caught the first one right here.
It's right here.
No,
you sure?
You caught the first one right there. Trust me, bro.
I think it's the next
My
one.
memory is
It's
very
in that.
good
It's in that
of
eddy.
a rhinoceros.
Yeah, he dropped it. I told you that's where it was at.
It wasn't right there.
Yes, it was.
Brody, I'm telling you it was not right there.
Brody's gonna have to go back through the footage now and
I'm guaranteeing
editing. It was right there.
We're gonna make a bet right now, okay? We're gonna make a bet right now, okay? This is on the channel right now, okay? You said the first bite we had was right here.
Right here.
No,
Yeah.
The first bite we had was down there.
No, the one that I caught
Yeah.
was right here.
I know. Remember the first
Oh,
one?
that's what I'm saying.
The first. Okay, so what we're gonna bet on this? $10, $5, $20. Betting dinner. Next dinner we have.
Dude, all I'm saying is I caught that fish off that stump.
That was the first. So you're saying you caught him off this stump?
Yes.
So that first fish of our trip, the first bass of only a couple bass we've caught, you caught off the stump.
Yes.
And we're gonna bet dinner next time we're out.
Yeah.
On this.
Yep.
Okay. So you guys at home have to tell us who is correct. Did he catch it? Brody, pan over to that tree over there. See that tree right there? Did he catch it right there? All right.
I'm pretty sure it was right here.
Or did he catch it at this stump?
Dude,
you guys will have to decide.
I like my steak medium well.
Okay.
Medium.
Well,
medium steak.
We're gonna fly to dang LA and go to LA for this special deal.
It was right there.
I'm just telling you though, you're actually gonna lose. For real though.
Yes. Yes.
Come on now.
Yes.
Let's freaking go!
Finally!
We did it!
My gosh, there's bass!
That's what I'm talking about.
We literally only had to go around the corner. That's a good one. That is a giant right now.
Giant right now. Be around and be present and figure that out. That's pretty dang good to know. Oh my God, another one!
Oh gosh.
Dude.
Tank.
No.
Oh no, look at him.
Happened? Grabbed it, went straight in the side of the face.
How does that happen?
That's insanity.
He bit it, and then by the time I set the hook, he must have dropped it.
All right.
You gonna weigh that one?
Hey, I'm gonna weigh, of course.
I'll weigh him.
I gotta see.
Hooked outside of the mouth, but I wasn't watching him, so it's legal catch.
Legal catch.
That was a catch, ref.
280.
Woo! We on a bag, son. We are on a bag. That's like
freaking fun,
hey,
man.
that's like 20 feet up past where you just got bit at.
You wanna let him go?
No, you let him go.
Okay. I just want to tell you and your buddy thank you for making us feel better.
Reach the promised land, boys.
One rock right in the way, otherwise you could probably do it.
Come on. Something's messed up. Like,
Eagle to block off the waterway.
update.
We ain't caught nothing since our double.
He's still casting.
I'm so all right, hold up. I'm pissed. Challenged. I'm annoyed.
I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed.
So We've caught 2 bass. The excitement level was next level. And then it went like this.
It was like, we started off like this, like a slow rise and a spike.
And then it was just like.
And then it just went gradual, and then it just went. Dude, let's drop over it. We're going to an edge right now. If we're gonna make this video any better, I say we pull the trolling motor up, put Brody on the bank, and ramp this sucker right off the edge of it. We're still casting at the mud banks. At this point, we basically ran out of life. We ran away from life, both literally and figuratively.
The problem is there ain't much above.
I mean, we went to the end. We can't do any more. What was it?
Make sure there's some leaves in it.
Yes. Yes.
Got us.
Yes.
One. Got us one.
Hey, that's a good spot.
That's a decent. Hey, we said 12 inches.
Yes.
And that is a 12-incher. The scoreable.
Perfect.
That's a keeper.
It's a keeper.
12-incher. All right.
Fact.
24 times longer. Oh.
Got it.
Uh-oh. Little adjustment.
Come on, buddy. Don't hook us.
Ooh, look at that.
Dude. Hey, we got 2 spots today.
Did it.
We each caught 2 bass.
2 bass.
That's pretty bass too.
We didn't want it. We didn't want to come to the main body, but we just had it. Look at this. Hold up. Look at the side.
That is cool.
Of the dang barge tie up. That's where he blew it up against the barge tie up. Dude, that is cool.
He smashed it, like pinned it against it.
That is cool.
All right.
That's a dang. What is that? 2-pounder?
I'd say if it's not 2, it's real close. That was pretty cool.
That is the coolest thing.
Dude, that
is such a cool deal. He freaking drilled it.
Like
against
graffitied the dang tower.
Literally. That's cool.
Oh, he got it. He had the front 2 hooks.
He wasn't playing, man.
He was not playing. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned. We're still going to go find another place. Me and Jacob got to go somewhere and actually catch them because
we got to get revenge. We got to get vengeance on these bass.
Right, Brody.
Yeah, I think you said it yesterday. Fool you once.
Fool me twice. I'm an idiot. So we got to go find some bass.
Hey,
somewhere.
We closed this thing out. We dominated. Listen, we caught the only. Listen, this is the deal. We caught the only 2+ pound smallmouth in the whole damn river.
Guaranteed, we caught every breathing bass in there. Anyhow, thank you guys. We'll see you next time.